Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl No Fury, and I'm coming to you today to talk about all about my permanent lock extensions. Okay, so I know this just literally popped out of nowhere on y'all, but I'm gonna give y'all the tea, the scoop, and the sauce. Alright, first off, if this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup and all things random. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back, bitch. So let's get into the video, okay? So let's get into why I wanted permanent lock extensions. So you guys know that I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I've had literally every hairstyle that you can think of. I've had wigs, I've had bonded extensions, I've had braids, I've had colored hair, I've had, you know, all under the sun. And it's just like, you know, when you try everything, you get tired, you get bored, okay? A lot of people don't know this, but in hair school I did develop an allergy to PPD, which is in most hair colors. Prohibited me to wear a lot of extensions, mainly in the beauty supply store, because they do color their hair with box dye colored extensions, and it would make my skin flare up. I have eczema. As you guys can see, I have dark spots around my neck. I have eczema, and my eczema is triggered by hair color, so it did kind of stop me from a lot of styles that I was wearing in hair school during my cosmetology journey. So I basically wanted a style that was easy, that I didn't have to do much to, but still gave me that freedom that I wanted. Okay, so what do they mean to me? My lock extensions literally mean everything to me. Like, I couldn't, you guys, I tried so hard to grow my real hair out. I promise you I did, but I hate short hair on me, especially now that my face is fuller. I just can't do it. I can't do it, you guys. I'm so sorry. But literally, this is like the easiest hairstyle I've ever had. So easy, I can wear it how I want to, and it's growing. As they grow out, I can like retwist them, you know? Okay, so let's get into the price of my lock extensions. My lock extension service was absolutely free because I did it myself, okay? Self-efficient, did it myself. I didn't pay anybody to do these for me. However, the hair that I bought, I did buy bulk kinky afro hair from this company called Locsanity. I got them off of an Etsy shop. The Etsy shop is called Locsanity, and I got my hair for $143.06. I got 8 bundles of hair for that price, and you guys, honestly, I only used half. I didn't even use that much. I have so much hair left over. Let me get the hair for y'all. Let me show y'all the hair. Okay, so this is the hair. It looks like this. It literally came in wads like this. You can just peel it apart. So the hair is 1B. I got natural just because I wanted to make sure there were no extra dyes in the hair. I got the I got the length 8 inches, just because I didn't want my locks really long, even though they were going to be unnatural and longer than, you know, where my hair is right now. I didn't want them to be dramatically long. I still want the opportunity to grow my hair out. And yeah, I made the locks myself. Now, I made the locks myself with this tool. It is a 3-prong crochet needle. Yeah. And before I put this hair in, I did soak it in apple cider vinegar. 1 part apple cider vinegar, 2 parts water, just to get like all the impurities out, just in case any were in there, because I was really scared that they were going to break my neck out. Basically, I'm going to talk about like now how I did them. Really, I took this crochet needle, I took a little piece of hair, and then literally I took the needle and like created a lock myself. Let me just show y'all a quick little demonstration. You turn as you pull, and literally it creates a lock. Now, it is more complex than that, but that's just like a quick little demo. I did that. I don't know how many locks that I have. I'm so sorry. I basically did that as I put my locks in. I parted my hair out, and then I crocheted the locks in. Why did I do them myself? Just because I'm definitely the DIY queen, especially when it comes to hair. I definitely feel like if it's something that I can do, I'm gonna try it. Like, I'm not gonna pay nobody to do my hair, especially when I have a cosmetology license. Like, that's dead. I'm gonna try it myself first and see how I like it specifically. It did take me about 6 to 7 hours to complete my whole head, just because I was making the locks as I installed them in my hair. but it's definitely worth it. It's been 2 weeks now since I've had them installed. Now when I did retwist, my back is retwisted so much better than the top. The top is pretty loose just because I don't have patience and I didn't let it dry all the way, but plus they were kind of stiff when I retwisted them, so I did want them to move a little bit more. So yeah, let me show you guys. Let me zoom in. That's my hair. So this is my locks. As you guys can see, like, my hair is definitely attached. Like, some of them I legit can't even like pull out. I've only had like 2 slip out since I installed them. This is the back. I'll show you guys my parts. I hope you guys get a clear view of that. Yeah, they are literally installed pretty well. Like they look like real locks. Like, now my real hair is probably to like right here, to like right there. My real hair isn't long at all. So not only do I have to wait for my real hair to lock, I have to wait for the fake hair to lock as well. But the good thing about the lock hair is that it's human hair. If I want to dye it, if I wanted to, I could color it. But it literally acts just like African American hair. It's amazing. My mind is blown. My hair goals with my locks, I just want to get them to like maybe like right here all over. Like, I did make some of them shorter on purpose just to get that appearance that they're real, but I do want them to be like maybe like right here. I want to be able to put them in like a bun, and I want them to fully lock. I want my hair to lock and I want the locks to lock, even though it does feel like the fake hair kind of is like locking. As for my, I don't know, my routine, I can't really give you guys a routine yet just because I haven't even retwisted them yet. When I retwist them, I will definitely make a video. For shampoos and conditioners, I'll probably use the same stuff that I'm using. Definitely going to incorporate some apple cider vinegar rinses though, because my hair, I can tell, will have so much buildup. That's basically it about my permanent lock extensions. They were super duper easy. I didn't record the process, you guys, just because I really honestly didn't know how it would go, and I didn't want to steer you guys into the wrong into the wrong light. I don't want to tell nobody, this is how you do it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, stay furious.